Google's Pixel 9 series was launched a while ago in 2024, but now it's 2025 and one more Pixel phone is set to launch this year. The Pixel 9 is in the lineup, positioned as a direct competitor to Samsung's rumored Galaxy S25 Slim and Apple's new SE model. This phone is expected to surprise Pixel fans and others eagerly awaiting its release. So let's dive into everything we know about the upcoming phone from Google. As usual, we'd expect the Pixel 9 to launch in the spring, typically around Google I/O. However, leaks suggest it might launch earlier than usual, in mid-March 2025. One of the most notable design changes this year is the camera bar, which appears to be nearly flush with the back of the Pixel 9a, possibly featuring a small ring around it that protrudes slightly. It inherits the new camera layout of the Pixel 9, sticking with ultra-wide and wide cameras. However, the large bezels are quite noticeable, though expected for a phone priced under $500. The Pixel 9a will come in 4 colors: obsidian, porcelain, iris, and peony. It is also expected to ship with Android 15 out of the box, bringing new AI features to the phone and camera app. Furthermore, this could be the final Pixel device to use a Samsung-designed processor, as the Pixel 10 is rumored to debut with a fully Google-customized processor made by TSMC. That's a topic for another day. At the right price, the Pixel 9a could be an impressive phone to consider this year. Specifications are likely to be very similar to the Pixel 8a, which feature a 6.1-inch display, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage. However, the Pixel 9 is expected to upgrade to the Tensor G4 processor and possibly a larger battery. The Pixel 8 had a 4,492 mAh battery, and the Pixel 9a is rumored to include a 5,100 mAh capacity battery, which is a 12% increase. For cameras, the Pixel 9 is set to feature a 48-megapixel main camera sensor. While this seems like a downgrade from the Pixel 8's 64-megapixel sensor, the larger sensor size should provide an actual upgrade in image quality. So, what do you think? Will you be waiting for this affordable under $500 phone from Google, or will you go for a flagship model? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates and leaks like these. Bye for today. Peace.